guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know what was wrong with my voice there, but welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box that I got yesterday in the mail. I bought this on Etsy. I've used Etsy before, so this is my very first mystery box off of that website. It is a Gothic mystery box since I love like goth stuff. I love punk stuff. I love horror stuff. I got a Gothic mystery box, so I have no idea what is in this box. All I know is that I paid $45 for this box. The store is actually called Torture Culture, I believe. It has like this Gothic sticker on it. So we'll see if I feel like it was worth the money. But you know what, even if I don't really like the stuff in the boxes, I just do it because it's fun. I love opening up mystery boxes. They are quite expensive, if I say so myself. So inside of the box, it just has like this black tissue paper. Ooh, all the goodies are inside. The thing inside the box is her business card. So her store is called tortureculture.com. Her business card. First thing in the box is this. Now this looks cool. It's a metal branch. Torture Culture on it, and I believe it's like a clip, like a hair clip. You just put it in your hair. Ow, it's kind of painful, but I'm sure it looks cute. Sits on my head like that. This box has like their little logo on it. Not sure what's in here. I'm kind of scared. Ooh, those are badass. Those are really cool. I would definitely wear these. These are really cool. These are just what the earrings look like. These are so cool. Devil's star with like a heart. I forget what the devil's star is called. I forgot, okay? Isn't it like a pendant or something? Those are adorable. I like those. The thing is this. I'm not sure what this is, but it's kind of creepy, but I like it. It's like a wooden pin, I believe. The vampire cat skull. Creepy. I like it though. Next thing is this. Ooh, this ring. This is really pretty. It's like glittery, which I really, really like. It actually is a adjustable ring too, depending on like your ring size, which I love that because I have such small hands and small fingers, so sometimes rings just don't fit my fingers. I really like this. I definitely would wear this. Last thing in the box is a necklace, I believe. Well, this thing is sick. It's like a crystal ball, and it's like in a person's hand. It's like a crystal ball. And I love this necklace. It's so cool and so different. I love everything that is in this box. I love the whole experience. I love the shipping process. Definitely going to be purchasing more of her boxes. Anyways, I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.